Remember those iconic scenes in Stranger Things with Eleven and her beloved Eggo Waffles? Those crispy golden squares weren't just breakfast. They were a symbol of comfort and friendship. Now, you can recreate that same magic in your own kitchen with this easy, fun recipe. Get ready to travel back to the 80s and whip up a batch of waffles that would make even 11 proud. Let's get started. Don't worry, you won't need to venture into the upside down for these ingredients. Everything you need can be found at your local grocery store. We're talking pantry staples here, folks. Grab your shopping list, throw on your best 80s playlist, and let's gather our supplies. 2 cups all-purpose flour, the same kind you use for Hopper's pancakes. 1 tablespoon sugar for a touch of sweetness. 4 teaspoons baking powder, the secret to fluffy waffles. Half a teaspoon salt, just a pinch. 1 3/4 cups milk, any kind will do. Half a cup melted unsalted butter, because everything's better with butter. 2 large eggs fresh from the coop or the carton. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract for that warm, comforting aroma. See? Nothing too scary here. Just simple, wholesome ingredients ready to be transformed into waffle goodness. Now for the fun part, mixing the batter. Don't worry, this is easier than navigating the halls of Hawkins Middle School. Grab 2 large bowls, 1 for the dry ingredients and 1 for the wet. In the first bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. This ensures everything is evenly distributed. In the second bowl, whisk together the milk, melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract. Now, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, whisking gently until just combined. A few lumps are okay, we don't want to overmix. Here's where we practice a little patience, just like 11 waiting for Mike to visit. Cover the bowl of batter and let it rest on the counter for about 10 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, resulting in lighter, fluffier waffles. While you wait, preheat your waffle iron according to the manufacturer's instructions. And no peeking at the batter, it needs its beauty sleep. Section 5. Waffle Iron Wisdom. Channel your inner 11. Now for the moment of truth, cooking the waffles. Once your waffle iron is hot, lightly grease it with non-stick spray or melted butter. This will prevent sticking and ensure those beautiful golden brown squares. Pour about half a cup of batter onto the hot iron or the amount recommended for your waffle maker. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Cooking times may vary depending on your waffle iron, so keep a close eye on them. The key is to find that sweet spot where they're cooked through but still light and fluffy. Section 6. Serving up nostalgia 11 would approve. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated the upside down of waffle making. Carefully remove the cooked waffles from the iron and stack them on a plate. Now comes the best part, the toppings. Embrace your inner 11 and keep it classic with a pat of butter and a drizzle of maple syrup. Or get creative and add fresh fruit, whipped cream, chocolate chips, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Section 7. Freezing for the future. Because you never know when a Demogorgon might drop by. Want to make your waffles ahead of time for those busy mornings when you're battling Demogorgons or just your daily to-do list? No problem. Let the waffles cool completely. Then place them in a single layer on a baking sheet and freeze for about an hour or until solid. Once frozen, transfer them to a freezer-safe bag or container for up to 3 months. To reheat, simply pop a waffle in the toaster or toaster oven until heated through. Easy peasy. Section 8. Enjoy the adventure. There you have it. A waffle recipe that's as fun and adventurous as an episode of Stranger Things. So gather your friends, put on your favorite 80s tunes, and enjoy the magic of homemade waffles. Remember, life is like a box of Eggos. You never know what you're gonna get. But one thing's for sure, it's always an adventure. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Stranger Things inspired Eggo Waffles recipe, don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe for more fun foodie content and hit the bell so you never miss a tasty upload. See you next time.